Welcome to It's All About tutorial by Neneng. Our topic for today's video is all about multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. MDAS. Let's begin the learning. How to solve MDAS. M. Multiplication. D. Division. A. Addition. S. Subtraction. Let's learn all about MDAS. 1. What is MDAS? 2. Why does MDAS important in solving math problems? 3. Problem solving. 4. Steps of how to solve MDAS. What is MDAS? The order of operations is a rule that tells the correct sequence of steps for evaluating a math expression. M. Multiplication. D. Division. A. Addition. S. Subtraction. Why does MDAS important in solving math problems? 1. It ensures that people can all read and solve a problem in the same way. 2. Without a standard order of operations, formulas for real-world calculations in finance and science would be useless. And 3. It would be difficult to know if you were getting the right answer on a math test. Solve the following. 1. 51 plus 10 divided by 2 equals. First, let's do the division. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Next is addition. 51 plus 5 equals 56 is the final answer. 2. 2 times 9 plus 57 equals. Let's do the multiplication first. 2 times 9 equals 18. Let's add 18 plus 57 equals 75 is the final answer. 3. 80 minus 6 times 4 divided by 2 equals. Let's do the multiplication first. 6 times 4 equals 24. Let's divide 24 divided by 2 equals 12. Subtract the 80 minus 12 equals 66 is the final answer. Thank you for watching. It's All About tutorial by Neneng. Please subscribe, like, follow and click the notification bell for more learnings.